Jezzam lets you manage bookings for your courses, classes, events and workshops. And in this video we're going to first look at how to create an event, and then we'll cover some of the basics around how your customers would book on those events and how you can manage those bookings. But first, is it possible to create an event or workshop in Jezzam in under a minute? Let's give it a go. Events are created in the Jezzam admin calendar, and here we are in the admin calendar for our Oakvale music business. We're going to create a drumming workshop on Saturday between 2 and 4. So let's get a timer up and start the clock. Simply drag on the calendar when you want your event and then select the course, class or event option. Then choose if this is a single event, a repeating event or a course. In this case, we'll select single event. Now I'll type in the name of the workshop, and I've copied a description from the Oakvale website, so I'll paste that in. The workshop has 10 places, so I'll leave the capacity, but I will set a custom colour so that we can clearly see it in the calendar. Now put in the price, and I'll leave the other options as they are for now. The timings for the workshop correspond to what we dragged on the calendar, so that's good. Which brings us on to the access section, which is where you can manage who is allowed to book online, but again I'll leave that as it is. This workshop's going to be held in Oakvale Music's main location in Teaching Room 1, and finally we can schedule who's going to be delivering the workshop, and in this case it's James. Click Create, and job done. Stop the clock. Okay, so we've very quickly managed to create a workshop, and the process is basically the same for any repeated events or courses that you might offer. But let's now see how easy it is for your customers to book on an event. So first we'll flip over to Oakvale's booking page and switch to the event section. There's our drumming workshop with all the information we've just entered. To book a place, it's a simple matter of clicking the Book Now button, entering the details requested, and then proceeding with the booking. For the purposes of this video, online payments weren't required, but you can easily set up Jezzam to take secure online payments for you, in which case the customer would be required to pay for the booking before their place was confirmed. To finish off this video, let's have a quick look at what the booking looks like back in the admin calendar. You can see that the workshop now shows that 1 out of 10 of the places is currently booked. And by clicking on the event and selecting bookings, you'll see a list of attendees along with various options to manage the bookings, including printing off a list of attendees either as a PDF or in a spreadsheet format. There are also other options available by clicking on an event, including adding a booking directly from the calendar, emailing the attendees, and editing or cancelling the event. That's been a quick overview of how Jezzam can help you manage courses, classes, events and workshops. Hope it's been useful, and see you in the next video.